Today, I have a surprise coming in the mail. Today's going to be a little different. I have to do some maintenance on my truck that's way overdue, so I need to run into town to pick up a few supplies and run some errands. I also have a surprise coming in the mail, so you'll see it when it comes in, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm back home, and the first thing I'm going to do is fix my taillights. I've really had a hard time with my right rear blinker. I've actually replaced the light bulb twice already. This will be the third time. I'm pretty sure it's not the bulb, but a short or something's wrong. So I'm going to try this one more time, and then I guess if it doesn't work, then I guess I'm going to have to take it to the dealership and let them figure it out. And now time to change the light bulb. Supposed to do that. These are not the right bulbs. Great. That does not fit in there. So I'll change the one. On there. Pop it back in. I'm pretty sure this didn't fix anything, but let's see. Yeah, no, that didn't fix it. And now I get to put in the def. always fun to do. Okay, so that was 2.5 gallons of diesel exhaust fluid. Done. Do you want to go inside? Are you hot? It's about 1 o'clock, and I usually keep my chickens in the fence till about 3:30, sometimes even 4, but I need to clean out their pen, so they get to come out early today. So basically all I'm doing is just laying it down a little bit of hay, and I bought some fine pine shavings, but they'll do the job too. And just another layer of clean to cover up the chicken waste. I'm not able to clean out the coops because I have one sitting on an egg. I have eggs, and it looks like I've got one that wants to lay. So I'm going to vacate the area for a few. This old wagon was sitting in the junk pile. I thought it would make a good option for the chickens to lay their eggs in, and somebody has, but it's time to freshen this up too, so I'm going to do that next. This isn't the perfect place to store my pine shavings, but I think it will do in a pinch. Okay, so now that everybody's out of the coop, see, I just spread some fresh hay inside the old coop, inside this new little mini coop, and then I just basically spread a little hay and some shavings on the floor to cover the bare spots and the excess poop. And I got egg. And I got 8 eggs today. It's time to open her up and get those fences set up. I purchased Premier 1, 2 new poultry nets at 100 feet. Well, I underestimated the length of this fencing, so I'm gonna have to back up. Okay, the battery's set, it's clicking, and I'll come out here in the morning and move all these pieces of metal. But it's at the end of my day. I'm gonna call it done. You guys have a great afternoon.